of joy na gusto kong maranasan natin ngayon, this afternoon. Ha? I will continue. Sandali na lang. When the angel of the Lord appeared to the shepherds outside Bethlehem, he told him, I bring you good tidings of great joy. The news that brings great joy even today is that the Savior has been born. Yung the greatest, ay umuulan, maambos. Wala yan, mamaya alis na yan. Okay, blessing, ano? Showers of blessing. Have we lost sight of what's really at the heart of Christmas? Take time this season to focus on God's gift to us and share that joy producing news with others. Diba, Hinesians?
Yes.
This is it. This is the message. This is the message of Christmas to us at Abiertas today. The Hinesians are here because the Lord has used you to come over and share the joy of Christmas with us. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Kanta! Ready, sing. Joy to the world, the Lord is come. Let earth receive her King. Let every heart bring merry rule. And heaven and nature sing. And heaven and nature sing. And heaven and nature sing. Thank you very much, Hinesian Philippines, for being here. Feel na feel po namin ang inyong pagmamahal sa Abiertas. Thank you, thank you. We can just say thank you and God bless you as you go on with your yeah. Talaga naman, ano. And thank you for the pictures. I love it.